Hello everyone, in this video we'd like to share the work that we finished in the Toyota Prado 2018, and this one turbo is a 6-speed manual, and we already introduced in another video before. So this one we already finished a very big day of work, and now full 10-inch system on the screen, wireless Apple Carplay as you see, and wireless Android Auto, USB connected for the USB factory here, USB here, and also another USB in the glove box. All steering wheel control works well, and also we fit in the dual dash camera recorder. So you know, this dash camera over here, and it has another dash camera fit right into the factory camera location. Okay, so we actually removed the factory camera and fit in the new dash camera into the factory location, and we fit the new camera on the rear wheel cover. Actually we shouldn't do this, but because we are waiting to fit in the new 360-degree camera setup, so we temporarily attach our new camera over here, and the wiring stay like this. Normally we never do that to show up the wiring like this, so we just leave it here for a short time before we actually upgrade the 360 camera system for this car later on. More important, the car actually has all the factory speakers and the little amplifier removed, and at this moment we already fit in the whole new system of the 1000 watt amplifier under the seat. So it's under the seat here. You actually see the new word, that's the red word of the Pioneer amplifier over there, which I'm sure you can see. Okay, and this one already fully hidden under driver's seat. Even you try to see from the back end, you cannot see the part. Okay, it's fully hidden over there. And all new speakers, speaker here, tweeter over here, and speaker on the doors. So all Pioneers upgrade. It is a very big day for us actually, and yes, everything is perfect. And yeah, the reverse camera is the same Full HD Anti and Super Night Vision one that we normally use in our system, which you can see here. It show up the full detail from the camera. In our workshop you can see how easy to see and count all the thing on the floor because of that special camera. So yes, once again, full 10-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for the Prado 2018. Everything fit perfectly into the place, like factory fit, and all factory connection. So once again, thanks again, and we're looking to see you on the next one.